Which one of the following is a component of environment? Engineering, sociology, economics, all of the above. All forms of life are important for our well-being is proclaimed by Gaura Devi, Akbar, Mahatma Gandhi or Ashoka. Which one of the following is misuse of the resources? We waste or pollute large amounts of the nature's clean water. We create more and more materials like plastic that we discard after a single use. We waste colossal amount of food which is discarded as garbage. All of the above. In an urban planning, it is very important to include a garden because green spaces and gardens are vital to the psychological and physical health of the city dwellers. It provides an aesthetic and visual appeal. It provides access to a certain amount of peace and tranquility, and all of the above. Which one of the following is the group involved in the wildlife protection? WWE, WWF, CARE and SMILE. Jim Corbett National Park is situated at Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following magazines are published by BNHS? All of the below. Salim Ali's Handbook on Birds, J.C. Daniels' Book of Indian Reptiles, C.S.H. Peters Pratter's Book of Indian Mammals, P.V. Bole's Book of Indian Trees. Who wrote the book Origin of Species about the evolution? Charles Darwin, Ralph Emerson, Henry Thoreau, John Muir. Who fought to prevent the construction of the Tehri Dam in the fragile earthquake-prone settings? Anil Agrawal, Medha Patkar, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Indira Gandhi. The oxygen for our breathing is available in lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Which one of the following gas is responsible for greenhouse effect? Ammonia, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Which one of the following is not a fossil fuel? Coal, petrol, diesel or biodiesel? Maximum amount of gas found in air is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Full form of CNG is Common National Gas, Compressed Natural Gas, Common Natural Gas, Certified Natural Gas. A battery or a cell converts which energy into electrical energy? Solar, heat, mechanical or chemical? The process of solid changing into liquid upon the supply of heat is called condensation, evaporation, melting, or boiling. The following is a biodegradable waste: plastic, polyethylene, glass, none of these. The paper is mainly made up of cellulose and starch, polythene and cotton, bamboo and grass, sunflower and maize. Non-green plants like mushroom can't make their own food because they are too small. They lack chlorophyll, they lack phototropism, they lack roots to suck waste. The nature of relationship between condensation and evaporation is they are the same, they are opposite, they are similar, but not in all respect. None of the above. Deforestation refers to planting of trees, cultivation of crops, protection of forest, depletion of forest. Which of the following is not a feature of shifting cultivation? Parts of the forest are cut and burnt in rotation. Seeds are sown in an ashes. Plots cleared are cultivated for a few years and then left follows. Single crop is grown on these plots. The 3 R's to save the environment are reserve, reduce, recycle. Reuse, reserve, reduce. Reserve, reduce, reuse. Or reduce, recycle, reuse. Why should we conserve biodiversity? Because we should preserve the biodiversity we have inherited. A loss of biodiversity may lead to a loss of ecological stability, both A and B or none of the above. The problems for criticism about large dams are that they displace large number of peasants and tribals without proper rehabilitation, swallow up huge amount of public money without the generation of proportionate benefits, contribute enormously to deforestation and the loss of biological diversity. All of the above. The following are stakeholders of forest. Which one of these causes the maximum damage to forest? People who live in and around the forest, the industrialists, the wildlife and native enthusiasts, the forest department of the government. Chipko Andolan is concerned with conservation of natural resources, development of new breeds of forest plants, Zoological Survey of India, or forest conservation. Which energy of water is used to produce hydroelectric? Potential energy, kinetic energy, both A and B of these, none of these. The concept of sustainable development encourages forms of growth that meets current basic needs, prevention of the resources for the needs of the future generation, a change in all respect of life, growth to meet current needs, preservation for the needs of the future, and change in all respect of life. The management of natural resources should take into a long-term perspective, environmental pollution, their equitable distribution, A, B, C, and safe disposal of waste.